Probably a rough night last night, huh? You couldn't have got your head in the big hole, right? And just got that same hay? No, you had to go down in that bottom one on your knees. Did you put him up to this? Oh, hey, welcome back to Appalachian Farmstead, where it's never a dull moment. Never. Get goats, they say. It'll be fun. Well, so we'll start this video off with freeing Samson here. And we'll see what else we can get into. Hang on. Move back. Don't get your ear in there. Oh, this stinking. Can you get your head out now? Come on. Go. Go! Hey! You're welcome. Yeah, you're welcome. Dummy. You know, big drawback to these things is if you make the hole big enough, then they just crawl inside of them. And they'll lay in there, they'll crap in there. That's the big issue. That's why I don't make the hole so big, so they don't crawl in there. Like he crawls in his all the time. Then you have to just throw it away because they sit in there and they eat one off of this end and crap on this end. That's why I have that board across there, because this idiot will crawl in there. I had him in there and he was stuck. He couldn't get out. Get goats, they say. All right, well, I got to go get hay now and give him hay to this one and that one, and we'll get into something else. All right, I'm not sure if this. All right, I'm not sure if this showing up. Just how smoky it is here. Right. Crazy. We have fires that are, well, there's at least one in our county, probably about 20 minutes from here. A place called Canoe Creek State Park. And then even just about 15 miles from that in the Huntington County, there's pretty large fire there on a mountainside, and I mean there were rumors of a fire up here on Blue Knob State Park, but I don't know if that was true or not. But yeah, I mean there's a lot of smoke in the air, so this is probably not showing up very well. Very smoky. Good morning, everyone. Oh, look at this. We got clouds. We have clouds in the sky. Man, I hope it rains. It's supposed to be a 95% chance of rain today. All right, rabbits. You have fur? No, loser. Nope. This girl gave birth. Didn't put them in the box. They froze to death. It was in the low 40s, upper 30s. Hello, Mama. What's up, Jack? Do you have anything there, Calico? No. Hey, Big Mama. Anything? Come on, Jackie. Golly, what is up with you freaking rabbits not having babies? How about you? No. Alright, let's check these three up here. We know you don't have a baby. See what these going on up here this morning. Do you have anything? Or are you just sitting in there? No fur? Alright, no fur. Nothing. But you can't get in it. Oh, what about you? Uh-oh. Looky here. Looks like maybe she's nesting. Alright, so we're going to turn you around. I seriously need to, like, make those things. Alright, so what's she doing? She looks like she's nesting. Are you nesting, Mama? Huh? Are you nesting? Are you nesting? Are you nesting? Okay. I'm gonna let you alone. Please do good with your babies. This guy's all good. So these nesting boxes, they like slide to the front because this thing is sitting really off level. I mean, it's not too bad side to side, but it's leaning really hard this way. I mean, you can see the ground here. I need an excavator to do that. So just for the safety sake of so I don't know if this thing is going to stay here, but I put this rubber on it because it just greatly reduces the pitch of the roof. So, and if I jack it up in the front, I mean, it's just too high to even get into. So, alright, let's let the birds out. Come on. Come on. Chickens have been laying in there. So now you know I get in here every morning, chickens. Alright, I'm gonna shut you guys off for a minute. Alright. So I'm in my garage. My mess of a garage. But this is I built this in the corner. Oh geez, 2019, I think, something like that. Anyways, I don't know. And this is my walk-in cooler, which, seen the video. So I had already did this video once, and I don't know, I downloaded the footage and it wasn't there. So. Anyway, so the walls, 2x4 walls, and this stuff here is 2 1/4 inches thick, and so I have it doubled on the roof and the walls. So it's what is that? 4.5 inches, and then we got the 2x4 studs, which are filled with fiberglass insulation and OSB on the outside. All right, so this was built 2019, and this was built for our mushroom business. So we would fill, when we'd harvest the mushrooms during the week, we would fill these up and keep this as cold as possible. Here's my cool bot. So I don't know if you know anything about a cool bot, but it's basically, this is your temperature probe for your room. This dude here goes up to your fens, and I believe that monitors ice. And then this one here is your heater. So you set the temperature, and then here's your temperature probe for your air conditioner, and you just put them together, and I just shove them in a piece of styrofoam so they're insulated. So, and then whenever it basically it needs, what the CoolBot says it's not cool enough in here, it heats that probe up and it keeps this thing turned on. Pretty simple, pretty smart actually. So, yeah. Woo! All done. All right. Let me show you what I got going on here. What I did. What I didn't do. Okay. So, I got my 2 hangers up here. I kind of want pieces of chain across here so I can move them. You know, hang them wherever I want. Don't know yet. So it's not attached to the wall, although I do think that, you know, like right here is probably a stud. I don't know. I don't know how that goes. It's been like 4 or 5 years, so. Anyways, so what I did was I positioned this guy on the crack, leveled it, 45s to brace it, put these guys in, so they're just slotted in there and then screwed in on the ends, butted these guys up against the bottom of these 45s, these braces, and then plumbed it, added this to keep the top from swinging, and then I was going to put L brackets, 1, 2, 4 on each side, 8 of them, and tap con them to the concrete. Well, I don't think I have that many. I have a couple, but I don't have that many. So, I turned this into an episode of Kevin Build. You run what you brung. You use what you got. So, I had this piece of board left over. I think I cut, I don't know, 6 or 8 inches off of it. And I put it on a table saw, split it, and then I've just, as you just seen, I just screwed it across. So now nothing can move side to side unless the whole gizmo moves side to side. And we'll be ready for, well, the first thing hanging here is pigs. So I'm pretty happy. One more step to the homestead. So yeah, this will give me, like, if I have to butcher something in the summer, this will have me a place to hang now. So, all right, on to the next. Oh, good morning, or it's not morning now, but it's close to lunchtime, and weather's definitely changed. It's chilly, so it's windy, and we got rain on the way. So not a whole lot, but rain. So I didn't want to get into anything. I have to rush my tools in or something like that. So I am splitting wood. Yeah. Okay. Ha! Just get this thing fired up and it starts to miss rain. Unbelievable. Well, too bad I'm freaking splitting. It's not too bad. I can see up on the mountains pretty clear, so it must be just a little mist.
quickly the light of mine would burn out. In the mountains where I spent my rambling years, I paid my sins from the poor traveling days. Oh Lord, please, can't you hear my prayers? So I rode my body up the mountain, to a place where I can sit my rocking chair. I rode my body up the mountain, and I'm never going back again, I swear.
Long lever. Alright guys, I'm going to put you away. More rain coming down the mountain. It's almost here. My camera's getting all wet. That camera's getting all wet. So I'm going to shut you down. I'm just going to keep working until I get rained out.